This month's Mass Medic program, sponsored by MSL Group, included a panel on medical device security led by a number of security experts.
One of the first things that manufacturers really need to do is assess the medical devices that are already out there. So taking a look and doing security and vulnerability assessments on the medical devices that they currently have out in the field, first you have to get an understanding of what is the vulnerability state of those medical devices. You have to know what you're dealing with and then see, are there easy modifications I can make to these devices to help raise the security bar on them. Now in the future, the piece that I want people to start working in from the get-go, a piece that will really help alleviate some of this post-market tail of security, is building in secure updating framework.
How do you make that low level of embedded software that's controlling, the motors, the valves, the actuators in your medical devices, how do you make that more robust? How do you make that more safe? And one of the areas is a branch of mathematics called formal methods. So essentially trying to prove formally that the code that you're deploying onto these critical embedded devices will not fail in a bad way or does not present an exploitable hack.
What I was hearing is they're talking about about crowdsourcing security. A lot of people sharing information, threat information, even though you're competitors, you're sharing threat information. If government can enable that, promote it, encourage it, I think those are all really good things. And I do think that within the collaborative language, there has to be a little bit of a stick along with the carrot. That there has to be consequences for failure to be secure. And because otherwise people will tend to let it slide.
So I think, I would encourage the medical device industry to look at other industries, like the automotive industry, the rail industry, the aerospace industry, because where medical is going today, these other industries have already been there for some time.
With Gartner reporting that more than 26 billion devices will be connected to the internet by the year 2020, medical device manufacturers will have their work cut out for them to keep the devices secure.